we have got a function big from AB. So it selects the large number among AB. So these were defined as integers. So I think it is good to turn them to real so that it will become more generic. And real numbers are more useful in scientific calculations. So big should also be real. Okay, return. It only utilizes three numbers, two input numbers and one output number. So let's use this function to give us a maximum of the largest positive number. Yes, these statements should be interpreted properly. It gives us the largest positive number, right? So let's use this function to give us a number from a vector, the largest positive number from a vector. And I move this function to our function library, which is cflibrary.for, and I will call this function from the library. During the compilation, I will attach this function to the main program, this library to the main program. The function to give large positive number among the two numbers, right? So we have written this small segment, and let's use it. Library, and I write a new main program. So main program name, program big from vector, right? Big from vector. And program big from vectors. Implicit none. And we have to define the vector. So I say a real vector x, and for the time being, let's take some value, 5.0 minus 3.9 and 9.7. 5, okay, 4.0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.7 and 9.8, 10.3. So how many values are there? Oh no, this is wrong statement. I must have the vector specification. It should store, say, 10 values, right? Real 10. And okay, we require integers I, j, and we have a real function that we will call is the big from library, real big. So that is to recognize the function variable, and this statement to initialize values for a vector, it's a data statement. So I save this program. Yeah. Program file big from vectors dot. So seems everything till now is written correctly. Now the value, largest value, I have to define another variable where I want to store value. So I say maximum value here. So now I start for I, not for, should be do. I varies from 1 to to 10, right? This vector is store 10 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 times 1, right? So 10 values. So we expect 10.3 to be the winner in this program. So do I varies from 1 up to 10, and I say the maximum value will be equal to big of x of I and x of I plus 1. So it will go up to, when it is, the value is 10, so it will be looking for x 10 plus 1, x 11, x of 11, which is not there. Therefore, it should work for from 1 to 9. And then here we can have the final print state. Well, let's write the values here. Print 1x, 1x. All values are real. So I say print 1x f 10.3. For I also, let's write the iteration number. So for I can say I3 2x, and here I would like to write the value of I and value of maximum value. Okay, that's fine. And to make a title, I write a similar command. And I write I and maximum value as title. And here this, I say it's a character, and this is also a character. And finally, the simple print statement, maximum value, final answer, maximum value, right? So repetitive use of the function. Let's save the program and run it. I hope it will work. B77, big from vector, vect.for, and function should be called from cf library.for -o big vector.exe. Let's see whether I fall from the Lewis pendulum or survive. Survive to swing. Invalid, just big. In function big 62, invalid line. In the library there is problem 62. Okay, this is to do the comment in Python. So not a big serious issue. Compile. And the next step, run it and then debug. Okay, build from vector. What we are expecting from this practice, we are going to expect the largest number from this vector. From this vector, we expect the largest number and 10.3. Okay, this is going to run for the first time, therefore I have to explicitly write it. Big vector.exe. Here we go. Maximum value 1. So there is some update is required, right? Some update is required because it has selected, it found the value 10, but then it lost that value because the check is not that intelligent. The check says it should look for the maximum value among the two. It has not updated those values, right? So we have to update the logic. So I'm going to stop at this point and leave this part of exploration for you.